Good morning. How is everybody? 17 degrees again today. Oh, I just love it. The sun's just getting up. Still a bit chilly this morning. But we're back on this job where we've been digging out. It's got a bit of extra work, like I say. Over video, we're just digging that back 500 mil. Now, on the last video, we just had a long weekend, so it's Wednesday now. So Friday, what would that be? Friday's video, I said half a metre by 4 metres by 1.5 is 20 tonne. It's not. I worked it out the other day. Someone commented about it, saying bloody hell, it's loads, you know what I mean? And I thought, can't be right that. 20 tonne can't be bloody right that. Anyway, it's 6 tonne. So I was wrong once again. But we've got 2 jobs today, so we're busy. Some people would go, oh, let's just chill out, let's just chill. Let's get this done. Not in G-Dog's company. We're going to another job. Guys, catch you soon. Right, so we've done it. 500 back. Looks about 6 foot tall now. Just come across this tree trunk here, which we didn't know about. But that goes through to next door like it's a big old oak tree or something. That goes underneath the fence panel. So look how big roots are. So what's happened is, can't stand back a bit here. It goes, just reading a notification, sorry. It's a 6 foot tall wall now that it'll have to build, and it'll have to return here and then come across to make, this needs replacing. But so this will come across as a pillar, across and then back. Now, I said in the previous video, 20 ton. Someone commented, I can't remember if it was called Steve or something, commented, they were like, Jesus, that's a lot. And then I thought about it and I had a look at it, I had a look over everything and stuff like that. And it worked out. On the calculator, you cube it, times it by 2, but you're supposed to cube it, times it by 1.67. That's what you're supposed to do to get your quantity of compact soil. I've done that, it said 6 ton. There's between 8 and 12 tons sat out there, so I think it's just a guesstimate if I'm honest. But to be honest with you, it's soil. That might just be for soil. I think it is, to be fair, because you've got clay and you keep going at it. And obviously, how compacted is clay? And then you loosen it up and buffer. It's all fluffy, innit? You know what I mean? But yeah, we started on ditching bucket. And then I was just getting off like a mil at a time. I was like, right, even though it were the small bucket, it had teeth on it and it just ripped it apart. It just did job. And it, you know, it loaded barrows. We had to use it 3 bucketfuls to fill a barrow, but it was still all right. But it has been an enjoyable job, this. This is how tall it is, look. I'm 5'10". So it's got to be like 6 foot. It's got to be like 6 foot tall now. But this job has been a pleasure because we have literally just dug it out. And that's it. Like, he's doing it. He's got a load of gravel coming. I don't know if he's gravel and garden. I'm going to have a speak to him tonight about it, about future stuff. But yeah, it's been a good job, this. I've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed in, out. 2.5 days plus half day extra. So it's all good. But guys, I'll see you in about an hour and a half. It's 10:30 now. So we're going to go empty the van. There's some brash on it. There's some timbers on it. There's a little bit of scrap on it. So we're going to go get rid of all that. And then we're going to go over to Ilkley for a lovely insurance job. I'll see you over there. Right, guys. Nice little strip of turf going up here. Stripping it all off. And just replacing it with soil. Rotavating it up. This was a lovely Tesco van this time. So it's come up here. Wrong garden. Needed to go to the left to the big mansion thing up there. Started reversing out and just the other side of Oliver. There. Got stuck. But because you claim on insurance, instead of replacing a square metre, the insurance replaced the full lot. Just because insurance is insurance and always pays out. So I were on shovel a minute ago anyway. I tell you that. But Tom's taken it away from me. So what we've done is we brought a ton of soil in. And Tom's told me off for bringing it in. Should have bring it in after we've tipped off, but I brought it in first, but nowhere to put it. So we've got to like put this on van and get soil off at the same time, but yeah. Tom knows best. That's all I can say. It's because I'm catching him up on football, fantasy football league, that's why. On FPL. I think he's like 29 points in front of me. Whew! Right, here we are. Tomo's got his shirt off. I've got my shirt off. A bit greyer than last year. It's getting worse. I might have to go get it all lasered off if I'm honest. And then Oliver, he's just not plucked up courage yet. He needs to get his skin out so we'll all look Portuguese in 2 months. So, the thing with this is basically insurance. Tesco and Asda and Ocado are our main people. They just drive over everybody's lawns. It's mint. So these have got through to their insurance through through Tesco, go through insurance and claim off us. So they've done that. And then instead of replacing the turf, they've just said, do it like this, do it like this, do it like this. They've been paid out absolutely fine. But yeah, thank you to Tesco, thank you to Asda, and thank you to Ocado for all your inexperienced drivers. Gives us plenty of work, which we love. But yeah, it's just a bit quiet for me to go, oh my God, guys. You know, it's just a bit awkward, a bit quiet. We've got mansions over there, big house down there, and up here, that's their house. Up there, just see windows there, but it's a massive house. So for me to start blaring out, it's a bit awkward, isn't it? But guys, we need to get us dig on. It's getting later and later. All we're doing is standing and chatting. So I'll catch you soon. What were our first car? That's a bit fun, no? 1 litre. Good afternoon. It's now Thursday. We've been back up there, put the soil in, literally picked the soil up, dug the last bit of turf out, and we've just banged it down. But customer were talking to us. One of us guys who we deal with, he come out to see me, hadn't seen me for a couple of years, so we were just chatting, we just got on with it sort of thing. So now we are in Wortley, Astroturf, for an old couple. They just can't keep up with the garden. So, as she said when I was quoting, she's preparing for when he dies. He's fit as a fiddle, looks like he could probably go run and everything. I was like, right, okay, sound. But yeah, guys, Astroturf, bit controversial. Don't know how everybody feels about it, but when it's an elderly couple, hats off to them, because it's just easy. Maintenance free, innit? Especially when they haven't got any dogs anyway. So guys, I love you and leave you, and I'll see you in back garden. So we're done for today. We've had a mess about of a day. Like I say, it was finishing off that bedding in Ilkley. Went over to Harrogate to a farm. I think it was more Knaresborough. Went over to Knaresborough to a farm. To a wagon has reversed, tried to turn around, gone onto the soil, but smashed the pipe. The pipe can't be deep. It's got to be. Can't be deep at all anyway, whatever. But we're not going to replace the pipe, but the insurance company want us to dig. Someone's going to come in and replace the pipe, then we fill the hole back in. Easy money. And then we went to look at another insurance job where a car has driven into a wall to replace the wall. And then we've gone to this job, to the Astroturf. So we've had quite a bit of a mess about there, a bit of bitting and batting, but it feels good. Feels good to be busy, as always. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts on artificial grass, because it's always a topic that goes, well, I think, and then it's like in Parliament when they're having a debate. It's either one or other. So, but I like it. I think it's good. But guys, I'll see you all at morning. Back on that job, 8 o'clock sharp.